Hey guys, in this video you will learn the best tricks for editing cinematic videos. I will show you how to add the popular black bars, create a frame blocking transition, find the perfect cinematic music, edit your video to the beat, and many more cool tricks that will make your videos cinematic. Let's start with the first tutorial. First, open CAPCUT and import your videos, then add them to the timeline. After that, I will show you how to find the perfect cinematic music for your videos. Go to the Audio tab and type Cinematic in the search box, then find the music you like the most. Click the plus button to add the music to the timeline, then align it with your video. Now click on the music track, then click on this button and choose one of the offered options. I suggest you use Beats 2 option because it will show more beats. Extend the timeline for easier editing and then you can start editing. Now you need to trim every video to the beat like I did. Repeat this process for each clip and simply eliminate the unnecessary parts. The next trick is to use the cut on action technique. Cut on action is a film editing technique where shots transition precisely with the ongoing action, ensuring a seamless flow in the scene. In both scenes, I walk from different angles. By cutting out the unnecessary parts, the scenes seamlessly blend together. This is what the transition between my clips looks like now. Remove the part of the music track that you don't need and add fade out. After that we can move on the next trick. To create a zoom out animation, first click on your video. Then increase the scale and position the video according to your preference. After that, at the point where you want the animation to start, add a keyframe. And then at the point where you want the animation to end, return the video to its original position. To make the animation look better, right-click on the video and select Show Keyframe Animation. Here you can add graphs you like on the keyframes and make the animation much better. Right-click on the keyframe, then click on Graphs and select the graph you like. Repeat the same process for both position options. After that, when you are done, right-click on Clip and choose Hide Keyframe Animation. After editing, the zoom out animation looks like this. Now I will show you how to create a J-cut. A J-cut is when the sound from the next scene starts before you see it on the scene. The first step is to remove a few seconds from your clip. I've done it before, so now I don't have to. Next, click on the video, then right-click and select Extract Audio. Now extend the audio to the left side like I did, and that's it. You've created a J-cut. If you want, you can add fade-in effect by moving this point to the right side. Next is the L-cut. To create it, you need to remove the last few seconds of the video. Right-click the video, then click Extract Audio. After that, extend the audio to the right and add fade out. L-cut is when the audio from the one scene overlaps into the beginning of the next scene. J and L cuts make cinematic videos smoother by seamlessly connecting scenes, keeping the audience engaged. Here you can see an example of J and L cuts. The next trick to make your videos more cinematic is to add ambient sounds. Go to the Audio tab and click on Sound Effects, then find the Ambience sub-tab. Now choose one of the sounds that best suits your video and add it to the timeline. Align it with your video and then you can remove the part you don't need and add fade in or fade out. Ambient sounds make videos cinematic by adding realism and connecting scenes seamlessly. This is how my video sounds after adding ambient sounds. Now you will learn how to create a frame blocking transition. You need to record a video like this and add it as an overlay. As you can see, I filmed the mountain, then moved the camera right to hide the frame with the tree. You can do the same with any object that can cover the frame in a similar way. Remove the part of the video after the object seen like I did, then mute the video. After that, click on the video and select the horizontal mask. Rotate it and position it behind the object. Now add the keyframe. After that, use the left arrow on your keyboard to move the frame on the timeline to the left, then move the mask each time you move the frame. Repeat this process until the object is out of the frame. After editing, your transition should look like this. The next cinematic touch for your videos is adding light leak effects. In the description I will include a link to this website where you can download these effects for free. After downloading, import the video into CAPCUT and then add it as an overlay to the timeline. Now select Screen Blend Mode. The next step is to cut the clip and position the effect on the parts of the video where you want it to appear. Now I will remove the part I don't need, and after editing my video looks like this. The next feature you will find very useful is Relight, especially for videos recorded indoors. I will use it to enhance this scene, making the light from the portal in the previous scene visible here in this scene. First, click on your video and then in Basic tab activate the Relight option. Choose one of the presets and then you can remove one light like I did. Position the side light according to your preference, then for the object option select People. Choose the color you like and after that adjust all the settings to your liking. Relight feature enhances cinematic videos by adjusting lighting effects, improving visual depth and atmosphere. After using this great feature, my video looks like this. The next step is to add cinematic LUTs. First, select all the clips from the timeline, then right-click and select Create Compound Clip. After that, go to the Fresh LUTs website and click on Search LUTs. Then choose the style you like. I chose the cinematic dark style. Select the LUT you like and then download it like I did. Now, go back to CAPCUT, click the Adjustment tab on the left side of the screen and then select the LUT sub-tab. After that, import the LUT you downloaded. Go to the Adjustment tab on the right and select the LUT you imported. Adjust the intensity and after that, if you want, you can use the Protect Skin Tones option. The next step to make any video look more cinematic is to add fade effect, and you can do that here. Also, if you want to change the colors in your video, you can do that easily in the HSL tab. The next trick that will make any video look cinematic is adding black bars. Click on the Video tab, then on the Mask sub-tab and select the Mirror Mask. After that, adjust it according to your preference. Adding black bars gives videos a cinematic look by mimicking the aspect ratio of widescreen films, enhancing the visual appearance of any video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want more content like this, remember to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to visit the link in the video description to download the latest version of CAPCUT.